Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this bikes racing problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here we are given n bikers whose current speed is given in vector h, like current speed of biker 0 is 20, biker 1 is 50, biker 2 is 20. Now and the acceleration of each biker is 20, means initially like it is like 20, 20, 50, 20, 70, 90. Okay, 50, 20 and 50, 20, 70, 90. Okay, then in 0th hour speed is this, acceleration is this. Then in first hour means after completion of 1 hour, speed will become speed plus acceleration, that is 40, 120 and 110. In second hour, speed will again become speed, current speed plus acceleration, means 40 plus 60. Similarly here 190 and 200. Okay, so you can see here speed of bikers are initially 20, 50, 20, initially 20, 50, 20, then it became 40, 120, 110, 40, 120, 110, then it became 60, 190, 200, and similarly going on. Okay guys, so now we are we are consider we are considered fast biker as a biker whose speed is at least 10, means who have speed whose current speed is greater than or is equal to L. Okay guys, now we have to find out okay, now and the total speed, this is the criteria for a fast biker. This is the criteria for a fast biker, the biker who will conclude as a fast biker. Now and the total speed of a track for every hour is calculated at speed of each fast biker. Like suppose if there are three bikers 40, 120 and 110, and suppose the speed, the L is 120, 110 here, okay, or 100 here suppose. Then the total speed of track will be is equal to 120 plus 110, because these two bikers have speed more than or is equal to 100, while 40 cannot be a fast biker. This is a fast biker, this is a fast biker, and speed of track will be is equal to sum of all the fast biker in our array, okay, in our track at a particular time. Now when the total speed of track became m, means it became m or more, then safety alarm turns on. Now we have to find out the minimum number of hours after which the safety alarm will start. Now guys, there can be two conditions. We are given h, we are given H, we are given A, we are given L, we are given M. Now M is for fast biker, M is for speed of track. Okay, now suppose H is given some random variable X and acceleration is Y. Now, suppose it is a problem of binary search, when we have to find out the minimum number of hours in an array, minimum number of these, like there are many famous problem, cocoa eating bananas, book allocation, aggressive cows, you can search them. These all are binary search problem. Now here we are making a search straight from left to right, where our left will become 0. Suppose this is x, our L is equal to x, our M is equal to x, means our x is greater than is equal to L, because L is x, so it is a fast biker. Now it is a fast biker, so our speed of track became x. This is the only biker. Now for M is equal to x, so we have to find out minimum number of hours when my current speed of track became greater than or is equal to M. Now it will become without doing any acceleration, means at the 0th array, at the 0th moment it is x. So we can say the minimum number of hours we required is 0, means already we have that much speed that we need to fulfill the conditions. Now what is the maximum number of hours? Maximum number of hours is we will find out for a particular element from our array, for a particular biker, like x plus I into y should be greater than is equal to L, and should be greater than is equal to L as well as M. Now y, L and M, now it should be where I is the number of hours, means x is the speed, original speed. Now I into y means the number of hours into acceleration, like initially it is 20, then after 1 hour it is 40, then after 2 hour it is 60, 80, 100. Okay, similarly it will increase. Now for each biker, this is current speed, this is initial speed, this is acceleration added for particular I hour, so this became total speed, means current speed. So our current speed should become, for a particular bike, should become greater than m, greater than m. Our speed of track became greater than m, means speed of our current speed of a particular bike I greater than m, we can say our greater than m and greater than L as well will be is equal to current speed, because it is greater than L, so it will conclude to my speed of track. Now this speed track will be greater than or is equal to m, means our condition is fulfilled. So after ith hour I will go to a bike whose speed is x, whose acceleration is y, and after ith hour it will gives me the, it will fulfill my all condition, means my current speed became greater than m as well as m. Now why I am taking m and L, you can see here m is means the speed of track required is greater than our for fast bike speed, but here you can see our speed of track is less, but the for considering it as a fast bike, the speed is more. So our 50 acceleration will become 80, 50 will become 70, and 30 will become 70 just after 1 hour, and both are greater than L, both are greater than M, but we cannot conclude them in my speed of track because they both are not fast biker yet. So what we have to do, first of all I have to make them fast biker. So that's why current speed of my bike should be greater than M as well as L. Okay guys, I hope you understand. Now guys, what we will do, my search space will be I will find out all I, and the maximum of all I, uh, okay, the minimum of all I will be my answer. Okay, so this is my search space, means 0 to ith hour, means 0 is the minimum number of hours and I is the maximum number of hour I will take to make my speed of track greater than or is equal to m. Okay guys, so now yes, here I am taken L as 0 and R as int max. Now what is my requirement, speed requirement? Current speed is maximum of L comma m, and for all the I is equal to 0 to I less than m, if my if my current speed is greater than m, means I have fulfilled greater than require, sorry, means my current speed is greater than m as well as L, it means we don't need any hour, the current speed of my bike is already fulfill all the conditions m and L, so I just return 0, means I require 0 number of minimum hours. Okay guys, now but now I will find out the speed difference, means I will require speed is req, current speed is hi, so this is speed difference if I subtract them. Now what is time required to me? Time required is, like what I want to say, current speed is 50, acceleration 20, current speed 50, this is h, this is a is 20, and requirements maximum of L and M is 120. Now what I want to say, speed difference, speed difference, what is the speed difference? It is 120 minus 50, means I need 70 more speed. Now how many hour it will take? So I will take the calculate the time difference require as, time require as, I will need speed total 70, acceleration per hour is equal to 20, so I can say it is 3 hours completely, because after completion of 3 hour I will go to 60, after completion of 3 hour I will increase my speed by 20 into 3 means 60, but I need to increase by 70, so what I can say, I will need 4. So what I can do, I have to do seal or what I can say, 20 divided by 70, 20 divided by 70 is equal to 3, plus add 1, if, okay, as difference divided by acceleration, plus increment time requirement if the modulo, if AI completely not divide difference, means I need 1 more hour. Okay, here you can see after 3 hours, I will just increase by 60, but I need to increase by 70, so I will add 1 because modulo is greater than 0. I hope you all understand. Okay, now I will find out r is equal to minimum of both. Okay, so that our search space will become as smaller as possible. Now we are taking a variable answer of type long because we have to return long. Now what we are doing, while our L should be greater than is equal to R, we are taken the mid speed. This mid is the mid speed, that is L plus R divided by 2. We are calling a function possible. Means if I am giving mid hours to all my bikers, then can it possible that the speed of my track is greater than or is equal to m. Now what is this possible doing? What is the functioning of this possible function? It will gives me whether it is possible that after it is asking after mid hours, mid hours, is it possible, again question mark, is it possible to that speed of track should be greater than is equal to m? If yes, if this is true, return 1, as well return 0. If this is true, return 1 as well return 0, means we cannot make our speed of track greater than m with current require of mid number of hours. Okay, now if my answer is possible, means my speed of track can become greater than m or is equal to m by using mid hour. Then what I can do, I will update my answer to mid and now try for decrease my search space. Now this is suppose L R, L is 0, suppose this is 7, then my mid is 7 plus 0, 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3, mid is equal to 3. Okay, this is my mid. Now suppose for m is equal to 3, I can 1 means it will return me, 1, means I can make my speed of track greater than is equal to m by using mid is equal to 3 hours, mid is equal to 3 hours. Now what I will do, I will update my answer to 3, means the current answer is 3, and now I will search for 0 to 2, means I will check whether it can be possible that I can make whether I can make the speed of my track greater than is equal to m using s number of hours. And so I will decrease my r to, means for 3 it is possible. Now I will search for 3 minus 1, that is mid minus 1, that is 2. Okay, now one more case. If it will return me 0, means using 3 number of hours it is not possible to make speed of my track greater than is equal to m. And what will I do? For 3 I cannot possible, so definitely for 0 to 2 it will not possible. So I will now search for some greater number of hours, means I will give some more hours so that bike speed will increase more, so our speed of track will become greater than or is equal to m. So what I will do, I will just update my L to mid plus 1, that is 4. Okay guys, this is as mid plus 1, and at last I am returning my answer. Now what is possible? This is array of speed, array of acceleration, number of element, the speed of track we require. For L, this is capital L, just remember this is capital L and I am taken this as a small l because this L and R are both are small. Okay, now this is L, means the minimum speed for a bike to be considered as a fast biker, and this is long mid. I am taken is it as long, I can take is at long as well. Okay, it is not any big thing, like long mid number of hours. Now my total speed of track initially is 0. Now for all the numbers till 0 to less than n, what is my current speed? Current speed means the speed of ith bike after spending mid number of hours in my track. It is initial speed, it is nothing but initial speed plus I into y. initial speed plus I, number of hours is area and acceleration is ai. Initial speed plus number of hours into acceleration. Okay, this is my current speed after mid number of hours. So if my current speed is greater than or is equal to n, means my bike is a fast bike, then what I will do, I will add the speed of this bike in my total speed. And if my total speed at any moment became greater than is equal to m, means I am satisfied the approach, means I am satisfied the condition that my speed of track should be greater than is equal to m, I will return once. Means yes, we can make that after mid number of hours we can find a track, we can find the condition where all the bikers, fast biker, have a speed greater than m. Okay, now after completion of the loop, it means we never found total speed greater than is equal to m. So what will we return? We will return 0. Means it is not possible to make the speed of the track greater than is equal to m. Okay guys, this is how we are doing this function. This is a very simple binary search approach. You can see correct answer. So guys, you can see all the 12 test cases pass out. Time taken is just n log m. So I hope you will understand the approach. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel if you understand the approach. If not, then please dry run it. After dry run, you will there are any possibilities that you will quote the solution. Okay, guys, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and comment if you understand the approach. Thank you for watching this, guys. Stay tuned.